Eounice Scissor parking lift on 1228, 2.7-ton lifting capacity, easily passed 120% dynamic and 150% static load test. The width of the loading plate is 2,100 mm, suitable for most vehicles. Small landing area. And the number of parking spaces can be changed arbitrarily according to the parking lot. The car loading plate adopts a fully enclosed design to prevent oil leakage contaminating the vehicles on the lower floor. Laser cut equipment structure, beautiful in shape. Easy to install and maintain.